zombie apocalypse.
What is happening, guys? Welcome to Ironface Rolls Forum Explorum episode 8, a new series which I'll be featuring with you every Monday. In this series we'll dig deep into the forums and bring you some custom PCs like no others, and as always I'll leave a direct link to the forum thread in the description below. Let the Forum Explorum begin. Okay guys, you know how this works. We feature a PC, we bring it to you, we show how it's made, we show the final product. You leave your comments down below, tell us what you like about this PC, so let's get into it. This PC is Project Magnus. It's got quite a few sponsors, so we'll see what he comes up with here. So the guys who are actually building this PC actually are the creators of the Parben case. So they're going to be doing a build inside of this, and here is a couple of their 3D rendered images of the case design. And of course with manufacturers comes big machinery such as CNC milling machines and things like that, so they can cut out all of their panels to size. Here is a quick demonstration of a couple of cut out panels which will be used in the build. So here we have the panels all shaped up. This is the front panel, I believe, and we can see here that it's been polished up nice and it looks really clean. So how they built this front panel is they had a layer of white acrylic and then they put the clear over that and then the black on top of that to give this nice aesthetically pleasing design. Of course with the Parben cases it is as simple as slotting them together, screwing them in place and pretty much building inside of it. But we have something special with this case. So here we can see they've started their tubing, some nice routing there, some through panel fittings so we can get some nice clean tubing bends and everything like that in the system. Overall a nice clean build, 3 GPUs being installed, a beast system indeed. A little bit of planning on the top makes for nice easy clean management of your tubing. He's already marked out where he wants tubing to be placed and also cables, so it makes for a clean look. And here we have some custom reservoirs that they have CNC milled out. Very clean look. All they have to do is add the O-rings to the outside and then give it a top acrylic panel, screw it in, and that will look fantastic. And here is a quick look at the reservoir all finished. So he's got all of his tubing in place. You can see that he's added that panel reservoir down the bottom there. All the tubing and fittings are actually in it now, and so all the liquid will be channeling through that, and that'll make a really nice, clean, aesthetically pleasing look and really bring something different to the build. He's added a bit of LED lighting into the build to highlight all of the components, some little 3mm LED bulbs, and it just really makes every component stand out and just, yeah, really highlights it. So I'm really loving that, especially in the GPU blocks and also that custom reservoir panel down the bottom. So when you have machinery like they do, why not do something different and create a water block for your RAID card? That is exactly what they've done. They've milled out some copper, milled out some acrylic and made a top for the copper plate, and they're installing that on their RAID card. Here are some custom panels made to show off those SSDs. Really nice clean look there, the window just showing them off, and really highlights the build that much more. You can see down below here those windows showing off in the light there. Very good look. So guys, here's the finished result. He's got his liquid in, some black and some white flowing through there. 2 separate loops, one for the GPUs and one for the CPU. So overall really nice design here, and the liquid cooling has been taken to another level with the inclusion of those liquid cooling panels that he made, the reservoirs, and that just creates separate channels for all the liquid to run through. Overall a really nice clean build, and with the addition of the SSD windows up the top highlighting those 4 SSDs, it really looks nice and clean. And the reason for that is because the SSDs look like a brushed aluminium finish, and it really goes with those black panels and the white panels. So really overall a clean design, and I'm really glad that he didn't go too over the top in his cable management. He kept the sleeving a nice subtle grey and black look. So overall, fantastic job, and this guy really needs to be commended on his work. I'm glad I could show this build to you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. please leave a comment down below. Tell me what you liked about this build, and I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe, guys, and also check out our Patreon link down below if you guys feel like supporting the channel. All help is appreciated. Anything you can donate, that's fine, and the money will go towards creating custom PCs for our Patreon supporters, and hopefully we can get regular PC giveaways to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you in the next video. Click here to check out our latest custom PCs that we've built from scratch. Do you have a PC you want featured on the channel? Well, click here to see what other PCs have been featured. Are you into gameplay? Click here to see our latest gameplay content. Thanks for watching, guys. Your feedback is always helpful, so be sure to leave a comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one.